Welcome to Milak Online Tutorial. Now let's look at this. If ABC is a triangle and M and N are the midpoint of AB and BC respectively, show that MN equals AC all over 2. Now let's first of all draw out the triangle. Okay, so to this end, let's say this is A, this is B, and this is what? C. Now, since this is the starting point and this is the ending point, so A to B, B to C, and A to C. Okay? Okay. So, and we are told that M and N are the midpoint of AB. So, midpoint, let's assume here is the midpoint. This is for M. And this is for BC. This is for N. Okay? And we are told to find MN. I mean, to show that MN equals what? AC. So, which means we can actually draw this line here. Sorry? Okay. Alright. So, how then do we get started? Now, let us find the vector for MN. Now, for you to start from M and N at M, you have two options here. Either to go this, and this. Okay? So, which will be MA plus AC plus CN. Okay, now another way you can actually start from M and end at N again is going from M to B, from B to N. So another M, N, let's probably make this equation 1, and equals to M, B, then plus B, N, equation 2. Okay, alright, now let us add these two equations together. So when we add this plus this to here, you have 2mn, then equals, then adding this together, we have ma plus mb, then plus the whole of this AC plus CN plus BN. Okay, alright. So after which now we get to have something to resolve. Now looking at MA plus MB, that is MA and MB. Now take note that the direction here is actually meant to be like this. Okay, alright, so here we have 2mn, then equals, now you can see that it's actually going opposite from M to A. It's actually opposite, okay, of the normal direction, which is supposed to be A, B. So it's actually meant to be either AM or MB to have the same direction like this. Okay, and take note that M is the midpoint of AB, which means from AM is the same magnitude as MB, right? Now, since this is opposite, which is M to A is opposite to AM, okay, so we can actually say here that they have the same magnitude, which is A to M having the same magnitude as M to what? B. So here MA can also be minus MB plus MB. Okay, right? That is, here you have your MB, right? So AM, which is this, rather MA, which is this, can also be the same in magnitude but the opposite direction as MB, because M is the midpoint of AB, right? That's it. Then plus AC, then plus now CN plus BN. Now you can see N is the midpoint of BN. So NC and BN have the same magnitude but different what? Direction. So here we can say this is the same thing as saying, so this and this now will definitely be minus BN plus BN. So here you have 2MN, then equals, here it becomes 0 plus AC, then plus another 0. So you end up having 2MN, then equals AC. Then dividing both sides by 2, you have that MN equals what? AC all over what? 2. Alright, final answer. We love it. I've just done. Subscribe. Thank you.